Okay, so I'm finally getting back into prepping my meals ahead of time. So today I did 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so this is just the extra one, but I've been on ahead since my 6 day work week. I try to make all my meals every day. So I got this is just scallops, shrimp, fettuccine, whatever, with some broccoli in it. There is no nice presentation. I ain't got time for none of that because I'm just going to eat it anyway. But I made three of those, and then this is just the last of it. I need to split that into two, though, because that's a lot. Because as you can tell, that bowl is bigger than the other ones. And then I got this recipe from Fitman Cook, but I did my own different take on it. But this is salmon fried rice with, I just did the corn and green beans because I'm addicted to green beans and I love corn. So this is just what I did for my work week. And no matter what I cook for the shrimp scallops and salmon, I did Obey seasoning, I did chili powder, and a lot of hot sauce with garlic powder. And then I just let it marinate, cooked it up. The shrimp already cooked shrimp, so I just had to thaw it, season it, add it to the linguine noodles, put the spinach in there while I was cooking the linguine, and then that's it. I don't do anything fancy. I'm just now starting to get back into cooking. I used to cook a lot when I was married, but I haven't done so since my divorce. So I think I haven't been really cooking for a while. Like I try these little meals every once in a while, but I'm gonna get back into cooking how I like to eat and how I need to eat. So this is it, and then of course I bring like fruits and other stuff with me. But this is just like my main meals for Tuesday through Sunday, and then next week it'll be my meals for 4 days. So I cook quarterly to what I work. So yeah, and then if I do have a double, like if I was working a double, like tomorrow's a double, so I may bring this because this bowl is a lot thicker, as you can tell, than that bowl. So I may bring this to work tomorrow, so I can eat one half during one shift, and the other half during the other shift, and then there's just the extra bowl here, whatever. But yeah, this is my meal: my shrimp and scallop linguine and my salmon fried rice.